We begin our exploration of limit by looking at this graph. First, f of x equal x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 2. If we take a look at the number 2, as x approaches 2 from the left, the graph is going to this number, which is 4, right here. And as x approaches 2 from the right, the graph is going to the number 4 again. So we can look at the definition as x approach a number a, the function f of x approach or goes to or very close to a single number, and it's important that it has to be a single number. L. Then we have a limit. So limit as x approach the number a, f of x will equal this single and finite number L. Okay, when we talk about number, we are really implying the number is finite. So in this case, we have a finite number 4. So we can write limit as x approach the number 2, f of x equal the number 4. Now there are 3 situations when a limit fails to exist. Number 1, when it doesn't approach a single number. So take a look at this case when x approach 2, y approach this number. Okay, as x goes to 2, the y value goes to the number -1 from the left. And if you're going from the right, the y is approaching the number 1. So -1 and 1 is not a single number. So we can say limit as x approach the number 2, g of x does not exist. And the second situation when the limit fails to exist, again, you look at the number 2 here. As x approach 2 from the left side, so look at the left side of 2, the function is increasing to infinity. And as x approach number 2, okay, look at the right side of the number 2, the function is also going up to infinity. So in this case, you will say limit as x approach the number 2, h of x equal does not exist. Or to be precise, you can say infinity. But it still doesn't approach a single finite number. Now, you will have the third situation, okay, which is likely to be a function such as sine of 1 over x as x approach the number 0. The graph will oscillate a lot near the number x equals 0. So in that case, the limit also does not exist, and you can take a look at the textbook on this example. But our focus is on the case when the limit does exist, because we want to do limit calculation.